vlogging.
My vlog's gonna be the best out of everyone's. I'm gonna put some. Intro. Hello. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I got Japanese potato salad, longanisa egg and rice, and Hawaiian salad. What'd you get?
I got sausage and egg over rice and kpop and green tea.
Yummy!
More chili. Oh my god, this one, the candle. This is so funny. What did you get?
Unboxing. So this is from the jelly gacha. Look, it has a little bowl.
Oh, that one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's green.
Yeah. It matches the... I already have the 200 gigabytes. It's same.
Is it a keychain?
No, this one is just a cup. I'm putting this one on my desk.
That's so funny.
Oh,
Wow.
I might need this.
I mean, you could come back for it too. Tell about our friends. They have it here. I got it.
Okay, who did you want?
I want Wanbin, the blonde hair
We'll
guy.
get him.
It's this guy.
Okay. Can I see that?
Yes.
Wow.
I have to hide it.
That's cool. Their rising sticker is really cool.
Okay.
Who's that? Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Let's go.
That's crazy.
32.